Experiencing issues with your Tesla Model S key fob? You're not alone. Common problems include key not detected errors, pairing failures, and complete unresponsiveness. These issues typically stem from software glitches, dead batteries, or Bluetooth NFC connectivity problems. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and resetting your key fob. Tesla key fobs operate using two primary wireless technologies: Bluetooth Low Energy and Near-Field Communication. These enable proximity-based functions that allow your car to detect and respond to the fob automatically. Near-Field Communication provides short-range, secure authentication when you bring the fob close to the vehicle. This technology allows for quick, touch-based unlocking and starting. The key fob must be properly paired with your Tesla Model S to establish a secure connection. This pairing process links the fob's unique identifier to the vehicle's system, allowing it to recognize and authenticate the device. The fob is powered by a standard CR2032 coin cell battery. A depleted battery is one of the most common causes of key fob detection failures, as the device cannot transmit signals without adequate power. The key fob integrates with the car's electronic control unit, the central computer that manages all vehicle systems. Software updates and ECU communication are crucial for maintaining fob functionality and resolving glitches. Common key fob issues include failure to unlock doors, walk-away locking problems, or difficulties during the initial pairing process. These symptoms often indicate battery, software, or connectivity problems that can usually be resolved with basic troubleshooting. With the newly powered key fob in hand, perform a soft reset on your Tesla. Press the lock button on the fob 3 times quickly. This action can clear temporary software glitches that might be preventing the fob from communicating with your Model S. If the soft reset doesn't work, try unpairing and repairing the key fob. On your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Controls, Locks, Key Fobs, Forget All Keys. Hold the key fob near the card reader on the driver's side door pillar for a few seconds until it pairs. Confirm the pairing on the screen. Step 4. Using the Tesla app for key fob pairing. As an alternative to traditional pairing, you can use the Tesla app to digitally add your key fob. This method can bypass issues with Bluetooth or NFC connectivity. First, open the Tesla app on your smartphone. Make sure your app is updated and your phone is connected to your vehicle's network. Next, navigate to Vehicle, then Security, and select Add Key. This will bring up the digital pairing options. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to digitally add the key fob. You may be asked to hold the fob near your phone for a few seconds to complete the pairing. This digital pairing method often resolves issues from physical proximity requirements and can be done remotely, providing a convenient alternative. Outdated software is a common cause of key fob problems in Tesla vehicles. Firmware updates often include fixes for connectivity and pairing issues, so it's crucial to keep your Model S up to date. First, access the Controls menu on your vehicle's touchscreen. Next, select the Software option from the Controls menu. Then, tap on Software Update to check if there are any available firmware updates for your vehicle. If updates are found, install them right away. This ensures your key fob and other features work properly with the latest software. Regularly checking for and installing software updates is essential for maintaining your Tesla's functionality, including reliable key fob operation. If the basic reset steps we've covered in previous sections don't resolve your key fob issues, more advanced troubleshooting may be needed. The vehicle's electronic control unit, or ECU, manages key functions through complex state transitions, as shown in this diagram. Contact Tesla support directly through their website, app, or by calling customer service. They have trained technicians who can diagnose the issue remotely or guide you to a service center. Use the Tesla Service Locator to find the nearest facility. Schedule a service appointment at your nearest Tesla service center. Bring both your key fob and vehicle. Technicians can perform comprehensive diagnostics using specialized equipment and the vehicle's touchscreen interface. Avoid attempting do-it-yourself ECU resets or modifications. These procedures can void your warranty, potentially cause data loss, or create security vulnerabilities. Always let Tesla-certified technicians handle advanced diagnostics. Looking ahead, Tesla is moving toward more advanced key technologies. Digital keys through the app are becoming standard, and future Model S models may feature fully keyless entry systems. Stay updated with Tesla software releases to take advantage of these improvements.